Hello, good morning, my dear children, and I welcome you to economics class. Today is Thursday, and I'm here with a new class on the taken from chapter number 2, Law of Supply and Determinants of Supply. This is given on page number 49. This is given on page number 49. Chapter is number 2, Law of Supply and Determinants of Supply. On page number 49, to find out point 2.4.3, you will get a topic called Explanation to the Law of Supply. Now, what does the Law of Supply state? Law of Supply states a direct relationship between the price and the quantity supplied. Price has a direct relationship with the quantity supplied. That means when the price is higher, supply also will be higher, and when the price is low, supply also will be low. Now, why do you think we have a direct relationship? This is the reason why we have a direct relationship. You know very well that in the law of demand there is an inverse relationship. Inverse relationship means opposite relationship between the price and the quantity demanded. But law of supply is just opposite to the law of demand. There is a direct relationship between the price and the quantity supplied in the law of supply. That means higher the price, higher the supply, and lower the price, low will be the supply. Now, this direct relationship is because of these three important reasons. The first reason is incentive to the producer. Incentive means reward. Incentive means reward. That means a producer will be rewarded if the price is high. That means if the price is high, he will try to supply more and more for a reward, for his incentive. But if the price is low, then low will be the profit. If the price is low, then lower will be the profit. Hence his incentives will be less. Therefore, in lack of incentive, his supply also will be less. So, incentive to the producer. Incentive means profit, and a producer will get higher incentive or higher profit when the price is higher. When the price is higher, he is getting higher incentive, and in order to earn more and more, he will produce and supply more and more. Just opposite will be the case. If the price is less, profit is less, which is the incentive. Reward is less, and lesser the reward or lesser the profit, lesser will be the supply. So that is the first reason that explains the direct relationship between the price and the quantity supplied following the law of demand. Okay, law of supply, sorry. Now, second reason is increase in per unit cost of production. What happens is when you produce one commodity, when you produce 1 unit of a commodity, if the cost of production is 10 rupees, when you produce 2 units, it goes to 21 rupees. When you produce 3 units, it should be 32 units. It keeps on increasing. There is a cost of production keeps on increasing. Cost of production keeps on increasing. So, this is the cost of production. Okay, cost of production means the total cost required in manufacturing some commodity. That is called the cost of production. When the successive units of numbers of a particular commodity has to be increased, its cost of manufacturing will increase. Okay, so this keeps on increasing, and so it will be fruitful to increase the number of the production only at a higher price. When the cost of, if it means when you increase more and more, higher will be the cost of production, and the cost of production increases means your profit decreases. So it will be fruitful and profitable only if the profit increases. Okay, you would like to produce more only if the profit increases. So that means if the price is higher, only then the profit will increase. So higher price, higher profit and higher supply. This is the second reason. One second reason. The manufacturing cost would increase as the number of the units you increase in production. That means this is a loss. More and more you produce, more and more cost you have to bear. That means less profit you get. This is a loss. Okay. But as you would like to increase the number, when there is a increasing profit, that means the price is high, you can sell it at a higher price. Then though the cost of manufacturing may increase, still you would like to increase the production. So it all depends upon the price. If the price increases despite of increase in the manufacturing cost, you would like to increase more and more because the profit price has increased. That means higher price, you will produce more and more. And just opposite will be the case. Now third reason is higher profit motivates producers too. Say for example, if I start a business and if I earn 1000 rupees per day, okay, that means in 1 month I am earning 30,000. So there may be some other businessman who in their trade may be earning only 20,000, may be earning only 50,000. So when they will observe that I am doing good, or I am earning more, or my profit in my business is good, they would also divert their production to the same commodity which I am producing. They will also stop their production and they will start producing those products which I am producing and earning more and more. Okay, so that means higher profits, I am getting more profit, it motivates other producers also to produce. So that means when I already have been producing, and when they will enter into the market and produce the same product which I have been producing, the total production will increase. And when has the total production increased? The total production is increased when the profit has increased. That means if the profit is higher, more and more production will take place. Okay, and when will the profit be higher? Profit will be higher when the price is high. That means higher the price, supply will be more. And just opposite the case, lower the price, less will be the supply. Okay, so these are the three explanations that explains the direct relationship between the price and the quantity supplied in the law of supply. Okay, so this is given on page number 49. Dear children, please go through page number 49, try to understand this topic, and then in case of any doubts and difficulties, please do get in touch with me. Thank you.